Paramahamsa Nityananda, a compelling spiritual force of our millennium, founder of an international socio-spiritual movement, pioneer of a modern Vedic renaissance. Born in the sacred town of Tiruvannamalai, a yogi by birth, fearless spiritual explorer, beacon of divine power, Paramahamsa Nityananda is today an inspiration for millions on the path. Adept in ancient mystical yogic sciences, researcher of the science of spirituality, guru for enlightenment. Every year, Paramahamsa Nityananda shares with over 1 crore people worldwide the treasures of his wisdom, the joy of his laughter, and the incomparable power of his initiation. Join us for an unforgettable spiritual experience.
Your brain is hardwired to experience all dimensions of God, the ultimate experience, the extraordinary power, the extraordinary experiences. Unfortunately, because your parents know, your society knows, your teachers know only few qualities of your brain, only that was taught to you also. Here I am transmitting all the extraordinary powers and experiences my predecessors know, the Vedic Rishis. The Vedic tradition has done so much of research and development in awakening the extraordinary powers and experiences in human beings. So the second dimension of your inner awakening will be awakening your Kundalini Shakti. You would have seen many people just jumping or hopping. They were not jumping on their own. It was the Kundalini Shakti, inner energy, was getting awakened. When the energy gets awakened, actually, you feel very light. You don't feel heavy. You feel very light, blissful. That is why the body just lifts off from the ground by itself. When the Kundalini energy is awakened, when your inner potential energy is awakened, body lifts off from the ground. That is only one aspect. Then you start experiencing extraordinary powers like telepathy, even teleportation. This is also an aspect of Kundalini awakening. Other third important dimension, awakening your consciousness. When your consciousness is awakened, something unimaginable, extraordinary, even the word extraordinary is ordinary for that. You can carry inside you the alive, constantly guiding inner light. You can call it with different words, living with God, enlightenment, the divine presence, practice of presence of God, or whatever words, Atma Sakshatkara, any word you may use. The ultimate experience. These are the different dimensions of inner awakening. And especially now I made the whole program very interaction. I spend long time with you guys. It is less verbose, more experience. And moreover, even the talking, it is more like a customized solution for each one of you. For each one of your problems, I will be letting you talk, then answering, responding. I am practically going to work with every one of you. Dismantling, reassembling, overhauling, or sometimes completely writing out and creating, recreating, writing off and recreating. So working with every individual, all I am asking you from your side, just be open. So at some point, you can't sit with logic, you need to sit with heart. How you sit with your kids, how you sit with a garden, how you sit with sunset. Sit with that friendliness. You will receive so much. You will receive too much. I wanted to make it very clear that just a little bit of openness to, even if you just have a curiosity, that's enough. What is it all about? That is enough. You will catch that, a real experience. Please understand, the whole inner awakening, I am aiming at raising your consciousness. I am very clear. I experienced some great truths from the Vedic tradition. So I am sharing with the whole world. People ask me, is these truths are only in Vedic tradition? Is it not found in all religions? I tell them I do not know. I experienced only with Vedic tradition. I am not interested to play the pseudo-secular game, saying that all religions are one and the same. I do not know. How can I say? I experienced from the Vedic tradition, so I am sharing it with all of you. But I am not going to teach you any religious beliefs and all that. I have experienced something. I will see that you also experience that. I will transmit it to you. You may ask, why do we have the deities, the temple? I am not going to teach you. They are independent, intelligent. I'll just make you experience. Anybody who has little allergic to all those deities, and I'm challenging you, I'm throwing it open. Just go and talk to them. Just like you talk to me, talk to any of your friends, talk to them, ask them anything. I guarantee they will answer you within 3 days. Otherwise you can write a letter to me. They will answer. They are not made out of metal. Maybe their body is made out of metal. They are living entities, independent, intelligent entities. After the certain process, they are independent, intelligent energies. Same way, I will not be forcing any of the religious beliefs in you. I will be sharing only the experiences. And see that you also experience. Transmit that experience to you. I will be just facilitating you experiencing the consciousness. I cannot introduce this whole program because every session is an introduction by itself. It's too much. to introduce this program by one session. No. As I said today morning, God is too big to be contained in one religion. This program is too big to be introduced in one session. The whole program is introduction. Till the last day, last session, the program will be actually introducing life to you. This program itself is an introduction to you about life. How can I give one more introduction for introduction? Introduction cannot be introduced. This whole program itself opens a new phase of life in you. It will be an introduction to new life. Some of the important things I'll be sharing with you is awakening your mind, preparing the proper mental setup for complete health, wealth. This is a new segment. Just last inner awakening we added. Wealth and perfect relationships. Above all, living in bliss, peace, joy, without any mental disturbances, from mood swing to depression. All of you may be aware that we have scientifically proved the top 10 mental disorders are 100% cured for all the 100% participants in this program. So I can guarantee any mental disorder you carry, a mood swing or depression or irritation or insomnia, and if you are taking pills for sleeping or any mental disorder, I can guarantee it will disappear. Not just getting healed, it will disappear. You will forget you had it. These are related to more like a intellectual part, mind part. The next deeper level, the Kundalini part, we have proved through this initiation, power of initiation. Initiation means that's what I call energy darshan. This energy transmission is what we call initiation. The power of this initiation, the mitochondria cell energy. See, mitochondria cell is the battery of your cell, your body. That's the energy unit of your body. Usually if that cell energy reduces, mitochondrial cell energy reduces, only then you will have cancer, heart related problems, all aging problems, all the aging related problems like a liver failure, the skin shrinking, all aging problems are related to mitochondrial cell energy. When that energy comes down, all aging problem happens. Even if 100% that mitochondrial energy can be increased, people can walk out of cancer. That's what the science says. And all available methods, radiation, chemotherapy, any drug, even yoga. Please understand, including yoga, Pilates. All available exercise, therapies, drugs. I was studying other day, even the Chinese martial arts, Japanese martial arts, Kung Fu, everything increases the mitochondrial energy only 40%. Maximum 40%. Not more than that. But we proved scientifically our initiation increases the mitochondrial cell energy. All of you, all participants, to 1300%. The researchers and scientists who have done the research, they said it's a breakthrough, unimaginable. And last time we did, we are waiting for all the results. The first batch we did, the results have come. That's what I'm saying, the 1300% increase in mitochondria cell energy. The second batch, last batch which we did, results are yet to come because we have done for more number of people. Because last time we did one more thing, not only awakening the mitochondria cell energy, raising the mitochondria cell energy, awakening the deeper layers of DNA. See, all human beings have 12 strands of DNA. Only 2 are awakened, functioning in all of you. In all human beings, including Einstein, had only 2 DNA strands alive. In Vedic tradition, by awakening the Kundalini, by the power of initiation, 4 more strands of DNA can be awakened. That sleeping DNA, actually that is called by scientists as junk DNA, but the spiritualists, we call that as a divine DNA, because that has a lot of potential, extraordinary powers. We worked last time, in last inner awakening, to awaken 4 more strands. Means, once you complete the program, you will have 6 strands of DNA awakened. You come with 2, go back with 6. 4 more. And through the blood sample and experiments, researches, we will prove it to you. Whoever wants to participate in the research, you can give your blood samples before and after. They will do the research and give you the certificate. Now actually we can give enlightened certificate. Because whatever Patanjali, see, Patanjali is the master who describes clearly enlightenment as a mathematics. Whatever he describes, we can very clearly demonstrate those experiences in you. The highest awakeful state, please understand, I am not saying wakeful state, awakeful state. Highest awakeful state, awareness of the highest awakeful state and restfulness of the deepest sleep, both will be in you simultaneously at a time. This is what Patanjali calls as Jagrat Sushupti. Sleeping wakefulness, restful awareness. The peak restful awareness which can happen in any human body, you will experience through this initiation. The other day we did a research. The researcher, her name is Kanak Pante. She was doing a research and she is in this field, neurofeedback, for last 25 years. She will be coming. And she says, Swamiji, if somebody's energy and awareness, if it increases 100-fold, I can interpret and define what is happening. But it is increasing 1,000 times. I can't even describe. You can see in your life directly the results of awakened 4 more layers of DNA the results of raised 1300% mitochondria cell energy. So the mitochondria cell energy raising 1300%, the direct effect of that will be anti-aging. All the effects of aging in your body will disappear. Arthritis, all the disorders, diseases related to aging. Especially some of the diseases which can't be treated at all. The bones will become like a powder. What do you call? Osteoporosis. Those things, like a miracle, gets healed. We saw. And Parkinson's. The doctors are telling, first time, some possible cure is even coming to exist for Parkinson's. Swamiji, that is our initiation. Because Parkinson's and this, what is the other one? Alzheimer's. These things were unattendable, only maintainable. They maintain. Last time we were able to help one patient with Parkinson's, 70, above 70. And after the program he was able to drive his car by himself. He is living all by himself, taking care of all his activity. Earlier, even he can't go to bathroom by himself. After that he is driving car in the city by himself. And the anti-aging things will start happening in your system straight away. By the awakening of these deeper strands of DNA, you will become witness to all your thoughts. It's almost like you live a step higher, in high level, and look at the whole world from a distance. Don't think you will be irresponsible to life. No. Don't think you will escape from life. No. You will participate fully without getting dirtied. Awakening of the four more strands of DNA directly translates into higher IQ, higher SQ, higher EQ, intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, and SQ means spiritual quotient. The ability to handle situations in your life. That's what I call spiritual quotient. All these things increases multifold through the four more strands of DNA awakened. Actually, this DNA research reports have not yet come. That's why I am not giving you more details. When it comes, I will give you the details. But now whatever I am saying, I am claiming. And I am going to prove it on you all. Another big problem is, now all these things look too good to be true in too short period. What is this, Swamiji? All this you are promising within 21 days. See, in our zone, in our world, time is not based on the clock, it is based on the incidents. The experiences you go through. In these 21 days, you will go to the peaks and valleys of your being. You will literally feel after the 21 days. You want to note down and keep it. After 21 days, you will feel you are living with me, you lived with me forever. There was no part of your life where I was not part of your life. It's not one person's experience, every individual, because the experiences are going to be so strong. Talk to people, ask somebody, some people who are known to me or who knows me only for last 1 year or 2 years. And maybe only physically in their life only last 1 year or 2 years. But if you look back, you will find as if there was no period of your life where I was not part. Talk to some of these people. You will understand. Because it is based on the intensity of the experiences. So don't worry, too many big promises are made and it looks too good to be true, and especially such a short time, 21 days. I had been to many workshops like this, camps, workshops. We can have some good peace, joy. I accept that. How can this so much happen? And I am making it very clear to you. I know what I am talking, and I will do it. That's the reason I am openly challenging the scientific community. I want all of you to know, all these researchers, Ohio University is funding me. They saw my first studies, 2 researchers, and they were shocked. Now Ohio University is funding me for next 1 full year. They said, Swamiji, do any research. I'm going to do research on this teleportation also. Research means proving. I'm going to prove it to scientists. This possibility of teleportation also. That's the reason I am challenging the scientific community. I am opening myself completely to the scientific researchers. So it's not as a pride. You see, please don't think I am claiming all this as a pride or arrogance. No. I am just introducing my business to you. I am just introducing myself and my work to you. I am neither a humble man nor a man with ego or pride. I am not humble man. You can see, I am sitting in golden throne. I am not a humble man. I don't want to show that pseudo humbleness, ooh, goody goody and all that. No. I am very clear. I am very clear. I am neither humble nor egoistic man. I am just very plain, straight. I don't have ego to show. So I am very clear of what I am doing. I am clearly introducing me and my work to you. All I want is just little openness from you, nothing else. Just openness, curiosity to go into the whole thing. Every program, just go into it. See the end of it. See how it feels. Try how it feels. Use all your body, mind, visualization power completely to get into this program and experience the depth of this whole program. Decide within yourself, tell yourself, next 21 days, I'll put all my physical, mental, emotional, conscious visualization efforts, everything, to experience the depth of this program, maximum of this program. Bring integrity to your personality. Decide to go through the whole program fully and get into the depths of the experience. Get to the depths, bottom of the whole experience. Essence of this whole introduction session, I request you to be completely involved with the program. That's all. I want to take away all other worries from your being so that you can dive completely into the spiritual depths. I request all of you to sit for a few minutes and make a conscious decision internally that you will integrate your body, mind, emotions, visualization power, everything, and intensely direct it to experience the highest through this program. So the essence, my request is, involve yourself completely, put yourself completely into the whole program. That's it.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.